I'll start. I've started now.
Slash bootstrap slash
If you see at the 31, my Angular material was automatically done, but Bootstrap will not be automatically done.
okay,
That is why
just CSS, and we have to give bootstrap.min.c.
bootstrap.min.css. That's it.
Why, Rajesh, we need to add
In 31, no, in 31, if you see, Angular material was automatically added. This is the place we tell to the Angular that I am including the Bootstrap. That installation will bring into the node module, but to bring into our application, we have to put it here.
Okay. But I'm just now completed for mine. So bootstrap npm I bootstrap that was installed just now completed. So I need to go to package.json, right?
Now go to package.json and add this entry.
Okay. We'll see the alarm. So what are all the entries I need to add? Yes. What are all the entries you added, Jana? 2 entries you have added, right?
Only one.
This is the one.
Okay, 1 minute.
We have to go to angular.js.
Yeah.
Okay.
Angular.js. Oh, okay. Angular.json.
Yeah. Sorry, angular.json.
Yeah.
And we have to give the path bootstrap
Styles, right?
line number
Styles.
30. It's in styles.
Okay.
You want me to maximize my screen?
Double quotes.
Node bootstrap, and we have to give this path where your bootstrap, the node modules in bootstrap, dist css, and bootstrap syntaxes.
You can open up that CSS and see, Jana. Can you open up and show? That will just have many CSS classes written by the Bootstrap team. That's all. You can open in Sublime itself. Drag and drop it here. Notepad will not format it. So drag and drop it here. That's all.
Here, that's it. Just
yeah,
this.
It will open as a new file only.
Okay.
Horizontally, it is scrolling if you see there. This is called a min file because the extension is .min, which is minified. This is not human readable format. You see here, we cannot infer anything easily. The same file is available in one more version in the folder without min. Can you drag drop that file? Bootstrap.css, first file. This is a human readable where it will be neatly formatted for us to understand. So these are the styles they have written. So these many style classes they have. If you scroll down, what is the length of the file? There are so many styles, right? Yeah, it is a lengthy file.
Yeah.
So we were using call-12, call-6 from this file, correct? That day I was showing. Can you search for call-12? Because I am using a class that should be inside the CSS here. Search for call-12.
COL.
No, COLL, call, column. COL-12. There it is. It is 100% C. 11 means it will take 91%. If you give 10, 83% of the size. Do you understand how we are using?
Yeah.
Okay. Now go to your page. And Ganesh, are you done?
No, Rajesh. Just a .node models / bootstrap. So what is that after that?
And then
In the angular.json, something you have added, right?
disk. Actually, that one is in the
No, in the Sublime, something you added in the style,
yeah, in the
right?
Sublime, what we added is
Hmm.
we went to bootstrap /dist
Hmm.
/css
Hmm.
/bootstrap min.css.
Oh, okay. But for me, already bootstrap.min.css is there.
If it is there, leave it.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's already there, Rajesh. So no need to add, right?
Yes.
In angular.json. Oh, okay. Then yes.
Okay. Next is, can you go to the Bootstrap website and copy a button and paste in your code? Not this one. You search for Bootstrap. It will be getbootstrap.com. Yeah, the first link. And go to component. Now go to can you go up? Get started. Yeah, and components. Left side we have components. And you can pick any component, whatever you like. Copy this and paste in your HTML. Copy the code. There is a copy button. If the same color and the same button comes, then the Bootstrap is successfully installed.
Where we have to paste this one, Rajesh?
Any HTML component. You have 4 components, right? App HTML plus 4 components. Totally 5 components you have. You can paste anywhere.
The dark light info. And but everything the same.
But the color is not coming, right?
Yes. No, is there any issue here, Rajesh, for the color?
Just checking. Can you inspect that page? Not this page, our website page. Go to console. Refresh the page once again. There's no other.
Rajesh, here we are using inspect, right? The same like Fiddler.
Same like
Fiddler, the troubleshooting.
yeah.
Now,
Yes.
same.
Same. Okay, so why is it not coming? I'll see my angular.json file. Okay, I've given, that's all, only this one I have given. Bootstrap min.css, node module, bootstrap, disk.
Oh, we're sharing our screen.
No. I'm just checking my screen. It is in different system.
Okay.
Jana, go to browser, Angular browser. Our project.
Is it working for you, Ganesh?
No, Rajesh. Just click the arrow button in the right side. The inspector. Top. No. Next one. First one in the top. First, click that. Go to any one of the button in the danger, warning, success. You added now, right? In the left side. Yeah. Okay. Go to success. Oh, everything is green color. Background is showing green color.
The actual color should come.
Yeah.
Can you go to that package.angular.json?
Click success. Just a minute. In the right side, you can see, you can place the cursor in the right side button, something you use from right. No, here. In the button, color, class. Okay, nothing is changed. Okay. Actually, I have copied only one
button,
Rajesh.
button class, button.
So for green color only I choose. So for inspect, I saw changing green color, right? It's a default. They set all the buttons for green color during inspect.
Okay, can you go to that menu HTML and give a background color gray in the code, in the source code menu.html. Yeah, menu component HTML. Enclose it with a div tag. Starting and ending, you give a div. Starting start div and ending, you give an end div. div. The starting div, you give it in line number 1. Yeah, inside the div, starting div, line number 1, you give a space.
Yeah.
Space. Give a space bar. Type style equal to Background hyphen color. There is some symbol, there is some character before B. What it is? Background hyphen color. No, background hyphen color. And give some color. Blue, gray, green, whatever you want to do. And double quotes. Complete the double quotes. Save it and see in the screen.
Yes, change it.
No, the double quotes should not be before green. It should be only after green. The background color colon is a single word.
The double quotes for background color, not for green.
Yes. Okay, now after green double quotes, right? Give a space again in the div and give class equal to call hyphen call, double quotes call, col hyphen 6 in double quotes. Inside the double quotes, call hyphen 6. The call should be inside the double quotes.
Working.
Yes. See whether it is coming half screen or not.
No. It's coming full screen.
Now then Bootstrap is not effective.
1 second. I think now I have.
No, that was earlier error. Can you go to package? Angular.json once again. Angular.json, yeah.
For you, how many lines you have, Rajesh, in your project, Angular.json? For me, 127.
131.
Oh, okay. For me, 127. I'm not added anything after install. So not 127, actually 126.
Inside the style, I have only 3. Can you go up inside the style style tag? Can you go up, please?
Yes, 1 second.
Yeah, I have only 3. I have style.css, node module, bootstrap, node modules, correct, right? Node modules, bootstrap, dist css, bootstrap.min.css. That's all I have.
This one I'm not added.
You added this.
Because you are saying, right, this bootstrap.min.css. For that purpose, you have added here, but it was automatically created for me, bootstrap.min.css. Yeah.
Yes. I will share my screen.
Okay.
Okay, I am in a different.
That's fine.
Okay, So I am in a different machine now. This machine, okay, I'm sharing the screen. Okay, so this machine is not having a, no, this machine is not having a Bootstrap. Angular.json. Okay, I don't have a Bootstrap. I will go ahead and run this command NGIF Bootstrap. No, npmi. Okay.
ng is Angular.
npm, yeah, ng is Angular. npm is Node Package Manager. So npm I Bootstrap. Then in Angular,
I ran npm install Bootstrap.
both are same.
Okay.
Angular.json. Here I will be adding node module Bootstrap dist css bootstrap.min.css.
Could you please go to?
Okay, it is installed. Here also it is done. I will go and start the
1 second. I will see the code. 1 second, Rajesh. Okay.
I'll give ng sir. No such file or directory. That dot slash. Okay. It is working for me.
Rajesh, could you please go to the code? I think I am doing something wrong. Line number 133.
Here, right?
Yeah, 1 second. Dot node modules bootstrap base CSS.
Ganesh, is it working for you?
No, Rajesh.
And Rajesh, could you please go to the command prompt? 1 second. You install, right? The
Yes.
npm is.
I gave npm I added the line, I copied the code, that's all.
Can I run the Bootstrap one more time in my command?
Yes, yes, you can.
In my app, right? In my app folder.
Yes. I'll stop screen share.
No, Rajesh, color alone not coming.
That is strange. I gave the same command now. Just before you, I am running. npm I. Can you paste it in app.html, app component?
Actually, I tried in menu component.html.
Which component? Menu.
Yeah, menu component.
Can you try in app?
Here that thing, Rajesh, for everything the same code.
The class is different. Primary, btn-primary, btn-secondary. You see the code?
Okay.
There are different classes for different buttons. The class is bringing the color. No, class equal to double quotes btn-. That is different. That will be there in the
Okay,
CS.
if you want primary, just
You have to
this
go.
code is,
You have to just give class equal to btn space btn-primary. That is what is bringing the color.
Oh, I got you. And for primary, why we are using for this one total? Just we can use the only first line, right?
Yeah. Just to ensure that I mean, it will be good to see. That's all. No specific reason. You can do only one.
Okay. Or Rajesh, no luck.
No luck. Okay. No, you give an app component, Jana.
Yes, yeah. App component also I tried.
Can you stop and start the server?
Okay.
ng serve. Because I stopped and started the server.
Now again we have to do on this server, right? Yep, now it's coming.
Super. Okay. Can you
after installing
restart the server?
We have to.
The reason is if you touch angular.json, you have to start the server. we changed in angular.json. We gave an entry.
Yeah.
Super. Now, can you try that call LG1263, all those things, and see whether you are getting hold of it?
This one, right?
No, yesterday I taught you, right? You go to that code. You go to the code and you open the screen side by side. Let us say, no, open your website. Okay. I want primary and secondary button alone in the first line. Remaining all should be in the next line. How can you do it? I want the primary to be taking 50% of the space, secondary to be taking 50% of the screen
Like
width.
12, 6, 3 like that. Right?
Yes, yes. Try. Can you try that out? Ganesh, is it working for you?
Rajesh, for me, the server is not up.
Okay.
I'm getting some exceptions.
Let me know if I have to come on a screen share. You can share your screen.
An unhandled exception occurred. No such file or directory.
Can you share your screen?
Yeah.
Have you installed Bootstrap?
Yes. See,
Okay, can you go
model.
to Angular. Okay, Bootstrap.
See.
This. Okay, can you go to Angular.json? It is /bootstrap. No, there is no double bootstrap, right? There is no such folder.
Oh.
Inside node module, only one bootstrap folder is there. You have given two bootstrap folder here. See, bootstrap/bootstrap. Okay. Save and restart the server. Then you can try that button to be displayed in.
Yeah.
Yeah, try that call LG 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, up to 2 you can try. And just let me know if you are good with that.
Right.
I think now it's working.
Super.
Yes, it's listening. No, not yet confirmed.
It will work.
Time taking.
Work, yeah. Super. Can you try that call LG 12, 11, 10?
Yeah. Call LG working fine. See.
Working super. Now, below, where have you added? You have added in the menu. No, you have added in the
menu
app
component
right?
.html. app
Okay.
component.
That Bootstrap button, where have you added?
Bootstrap button I have added in menu component.html as well as app component.html.
Okay. You go to app component. We'll see one small thing today. Jana, tell me when you're ready, Jana. Okay.
Okay. Just I'm checking the video.
No, Ganesh, there is one small mistake here.
Okay.
If
You are
there
telling
are
to me?
if there are multiple classes, you have to give in a single class. Otherwise, the second class is going to take preference. So you lost the styling. If you notice,
Yes, correct. Yeah.
so you have to give a space after secondary and give your next style, next class. Go inside the secondary,
You are telling to me, right, Rajesh?
Okay.
give a space, and give the next class. You can add. Currently, they have added two classes. BTN is a class. BTN primary is a class. No. You have to give inside. That's all.
Oh,
Double
Rajesh,
quote.
you are telling to Ganesh, okay.
Yeah, to Ganesh. He was adding multiple style.
Oh, Ganesh is sharing the screen now?
Yeah, he
Yeah.
is sharing. If you see there, line number 5, 4 and 5, if you want to add multiple style, already BTN primary is there. If you want to give a call into that, you should not give a class separately. There should not be two class attribute. Inside the single class attribute, you have to append yours. Looks interesting, right?
Yeah, Rajesh. Okay, I will stop my screen. If you want, we will continue here, or we will go to Jana.
Jana, any questions you have?
Yeah, 1 second, Rajesh.
Okay. Ganesh, in the meantime, can you do one thing?
Yeah.
In the app component HTML,
Uh-huh.
you add a matte checkbox and bring a checkbox there.
App component.html, right?
App, yeah, here below this, no, above the button.
Okay.
I want a checkbox. It should be a matte checkbox. Angular material checkbox, not Bootstrap checkbox.
Oh, okay.
Phone.
Yes, if I'm going correct, or
No, you have to go to Angular material.
this is Angular material. Angular.io material, right?
Yes. Material.angular. Not this, it is the same site.
This one, Raju? Yeah.
Yes.
Checkbox.
I want only single checkbox, one checkbox.
Just the mat button, right?
No, checkbox. It is matte checkbox. Super. So you know how to add a new component. Jana, can you also add it?
Let me share my screen. Okay.
Yeah. Actually, multiple user can share. On the top, there is an option, view Ganesh screen, view Jana screen. So no need to close when other is sharing.
Mhm.
Coming, Rajesh.
Rajesh, just I can see your mat button.
No, I don't want button. I want checkbox.
Just here.
Is this correct, Rajesh?
Yes, but is it why the okay? You chose gray theme, right?
Uh, for menu component, green.
No.
Hmm.
When you installed Angular
Ah,
material,
yeah.
Yeah,
Correct,
green.
correct.
Okay.
Yes,
So
great.
that is good. That is correct only.
Okay.
Let Jana also bring that material
You are
checkbox.
saying right out
I will remove
table
this
my
once.
No,
Remove
Jana,
this.
that menu, that button should be there. Don't remove that button. On top of that button in the app component, no, not in home component. You remove that home URL and go to app. No, here. In the browser URL, you in the address bar, you remove home and just give localhost 4200. Okay. Oh, the button is not here. Okay, then you go to home itself. I can teach you in home. You click the menu, right? Menu is there. Okay, super. Here you bring a checkbox above that button, the complete button set. Below the home works, you bring a checkbox, matte checkbox. So you got it right, Ganesh. I can see your checkbox.
Yeah, Rajesh. Rajesh, maybe you are admin, right? So you can able to see both machine. For us, I'm not able to see.
Okay.
So I stopped and I saw Jana machine.
But I am not able to. Okay, I can see
Yeah.
Jana's mission.
Yeah, I stopped my sharing.
Okay, sure. I want matte checkbox, Jana.
No, I can't see. Just I see the mat button.
No, that is a checkbox. Left side, if you see. I want this checkbox there. How will we do it? Now you go to example. The code will be there. Example tab. No, tab. Example. You view the source code and take only the checkbox code.
That's it, right?
Yes.
And we need for home under home we need, right?
Yes.
And home component.html, and we can where we can paste, Rajesh?
Anywhere. After the home works, you can paste it. Home works. After the home work, before the button. After that P tag. Yes. And just keep only one button. There are two buttons now. You delete one of the button and bring the button.
And then we have to go to
So what you have to do now?
we have to go to that control at the rate. We have to change something like that. We have to import something here, Rajesh.
Yes. From where will you import?
Just we can copy and paste, and then
From where?
from
Which component you are using?
I'm using
Checkbox.
a home component.
No, that is okay.
Okay.
That's all done. The components are all imported, it's working. Newly what we added, a checkbox.
Yes. We are
So
going
you
to
go
write
to,
the checkbox here.
correct, you go to the browser, you go to the material. In the API tab, there is an import. No, here. There is an API, top. Do you remember now?
Yeah.
So whatever
What
component
I am
you are using-
thinking, just I am going to copy and paste, and I thought just to.
Yeah. So what you have to copy and where, that is what.
Okay.
And you have to.
Okay.
Is it
Angular
done?
material and checkbox. Okay.
Okay. Is it done?
Yes.
Or something needs to be done more?
Now this one. No, Rajesh. One more step is there here. Just and here we have to give.
Yes.
This match checkbox module, the declaration part. Yeah, now we are done.
Yeah, now you go to that HTML and remove that NG model. You can see the checkbox.
The whole thing.
Yeah. Line number 4, there is an NG model starting, right? The complete NG model, you remove it. So completely means from the square bracket till equal to double quotes check. The entire thing you can remove it. The key and the value. Yes. Now save it. Okay, what's the error? Can you go to app module? Have you given app module.ts? Have you given comma before you imported?
Yeah, I given comma. This one is done. Imported, and then this we declared here.
No, import you gave wrong question, Jana. You gave declaration part. The map checkbox model you gave in.
Yes.
Okay, super. Now one last thing we'll do, and we'll wind the class. Now what I want is when you check the checkbox, the entire button at the bottom should be visible. If you uncheck,
the whole thing.
Yeah, if you uncheck, it should be hidden. We'll do this alone for now and we'll close. Okay. It is very simple. You go to the checkbox HTML and give a ng model and bind it to a variable.
Checkbox HTML.
Yes.
Oh, you mean
wherever you added the checkbox.
Okay.
There you give in the angle bracket ng model, angle bracket within parenthesis ng model. First angle bracket, then parenthesis.
Parenthesis.
No, if you go to that site, you can see when you copied itself, it was like that only. Go to the example. The example tab. You go to the source code. No. There itself, right side, there is a source, view source next to that. Yeah. See there, syntax for ng model is given. No. Go to HTML. See there. See the space. You can find it. Yeah. You copy and give it in the checkbox. And in the corresponding TS, we need to declare a variable. That's a variable, right? In double quotes, checked is there, right?
Yeah, Rajesh.
Yeah, right side of the equal to. Left side is the key, right side is the value. So you have to declare that variable in the TS file. You declare in the corresponding TS file. Whichever HTML, which TS you have to declare. If you are in home HTML, you have to declare in home TS only. If you declare in any other TS, home HTML cannot know.
Oh, no. Okay.
Because they both
it's
work
local
together.
to local, like that.
Yes, correct. So declare it. How do we declare?
I will see here and just imports just the same thing like declaration.
No.
No.
In your browser, just paste that variable. That's all. Within the class after the brace. Yes. So this becomes a variable now. Semicolon. Can you go to the browser and TS? Yeah. You have to give as Boolean. Can you go to the browser? And next to the HTML tab, there is a TS tab, right? Go there. You can see the declaration there. They have given checked equal to false. So which means it is not checked. Okay. So now if you go to the page, it is not checked. Can you give checked equal to true and go to the page? Which means by default it will be checked.
Okay.
So we are binding this value to the HTML page. Now our goal is when the default should be false. Okay, and when I click it, the bottom content should be visible. Okay. Ganesh, have you done till so far?
Yeah, doing Rajesh.
Okay. So the last step here is to make it visible or invisible. You go to the HTML and enclose. No, not here. Here all done. You go to our source code, enclose the entire button in a div. Start div and end div. Entire button, like 7 to 8 buttons you have, right? Enclose everything inside one div.
This is the one, Rajesh.
Here inside the div, first line number 7, go inside that bracket. No. Inside, before, after V, give star NG if capital I small f equal to that in the double quotes variable name. That's all. Meaning, if the variable is true, then show this. If the variable is false, don't show this. You give the variable name. What is the variable name?
Checked.
Checked. So this is some simple trick which we learned today. We can see more about NGIF next week. Nice, right?
Okay.
For this in JavaScript, we will be writing like 5 to 6 lines of coding.
Okay.
If you give false, it will work the other way. Now you check and uncheck. Yeah. If you go to that HTML, before checked, you give a exclamatory symbol, which is not, which is before checked. See, yeah, give a exclamatory. Now it will work reverse way. You can test it out.
Okay. Rajesh, for this we wrote only one line, but in JavaScript we are going to write more lines. But internally, the code is built, right? Whatever the 5 lines in JavaScript, here is internally built and it's going to do it, right?
I'm sorry, I didn't get you.
Actually, here to check and uncheck the box, just we are writing only one line. But in JavaScript, we are writing more lines. The same thing
we'll be writing more lines.
Yeah, the same thing is executed internally here, right? The 5 lines, but we can't see. Only by this first, okay.
Correct. Exactly, that's right. Ganesh, is it working for you?
1 minute, Rajesh.
Yeah, sure.
Rajesh, you gave in div NGIF equal to variable name, right? Any quotes we need to mention? You gave any double quotes or single quotes? What is that? What is that? Before N.
Star mark.
Star, okay.
That's a syntax.
Okay. Star. Okay. So variable in double quotes. Rajesh, it's working for me.
Super. Okay. So with this, any questions you have?
I'm good, Rajesh.
Okay, good. So with this, we'll stop for this week. So we just entered into the actual logic section. We were doing the UI section with Bootstrap and material, and now we entered into the tip of the logic. Like when click, we have to enable something. On uncheck, we have to disable something. We'll get more into this next week.
1 minute, Rajesh.
Yes, please.
Shall I share my screen?
Yes, please.
I'm not able to. Here you can see, Rajesh.
Yes, I can see.
Okay, so here I gave the NG model. Okay, and the variable name check. So here the same was added the variable name here. It's a false.
Okay.
So now it's false means if not checked, right?
Correct.
Okay, so after that app component.html, here I gave the variable name checked. Okay. Why I'm not getting this primary and secondary button? 1 minute.
No, I should be caps. Syntax. NGIF,
Oh.
I should be caps.
Okay. If I equal to checked.
It means true. Only if it is true, it will be showing. Now it is false. So that section is not showing. If you click, it will show. Now this true or false is for making the checkbox checked and unchecked. It will not help in display or hiding.
Oh, okay, okay.
The variable in the NG if only will decide whether what is the logic to display and hide.
Okay.
Okay. Super. Any more questions?
Rajesh, you are not taking classes on weekends, right? Not these classes, any class.
No. This week, actually, my German classes are getting over in another 4 weekends. So just now I was planning. After this 4 week, I will full-fledged go into the weekend mode. Because many are asking me weekends only.
Because weekends we will,
yes.
the thing to concentrate on 2 works one at a time, it's not
Correct.
that much easy.
Correct. So I was planning to even shift this to weekend and we can finish fastly.
Yeah.
If you are okay.
No need fast, Rajesh.
Why?
Because hands-on only itself for us.
No, even in weekends, the hands-on will not be compromised. Don't worry on that.
Okay.
Even if weekend, it will be at a stretch, we can like work for 4 hours, 5 hours. And in 2 days, we can finish a lot. And weekdays, we can leave it. So next weekend, we can. So if we see like that, 3 to 4 weekend, we should be able to finish everything. Okay. Yeah, I'll just wait for 4 to 5 weeks. My classes will be over by then. Then I'll be completely free and full-fledged. I'm planning to go on a weekend mode.
That means you are learning German, Rajesh, or?
Yeah, I'm learning German. I have my exams in August.
Okay, just we are going to give classes to German people.
No. I am learning from my tutor.
Okay.
and I am going to write exams.
Okay.
And German is my like a passion,
Okay.
so I just wanted to